Hi, today is April the 30th and let us again look at the chart of Nifty to see what's going on here. Now in this daily chart, you can make out that this was a first wave top in February 2015 followed by a second wave decline, and the third wave of the fifth wave started off in March. We had correctly analyzed and forecasted this upturn, and it made a first wave top and a second wave bottom, and then it has been rallying in wave third of the fifth. Now in this wave we had already identified the first wave complete and we are looking for a second wave bottom, and that was made at 9100, and then the third wave has started again on a sub-minuet degree. Now let us have a look at this third wave on an hourly chart and see what is happening. This is the third wave which we have been talking about, and of the third wave the first was complete, then there has been sideways correction for the last 1 month or 1.5 months, and the second wave finished around 9100. In the last video we had correctly identified these bottoms, though we had been a little bit premature in identifying it here rather than here, but it really didn't matter much, and the index took off finally in another up move. Now looking at the further subdivisions of this up move, we can see this is a 15-minute chart, and you can see that this up move, the first wave of this up move was over here, and then it made an A, B and C pattern, which is an expanded flat pattern. Now is wave C over and is wave 2 over? We don't know as of yet, but if you look at the Fibonacci characteristics, if this is wave A and this is wave B, so wave C is ideally equal to 1.61 times wave A. Then further, if we were to retrace this whole wave, we'll see that 38.2% retracement, which is a minimum retracement for wave 2, would come to around 9260 level. So this is a Fibonacci cluster which we must keep in mind, and it is possible that there will be one more stab down into this area to complete wave 2, and then the index will take off in a huge up move, which would be probably the strongest up move of this whole uptrend. But let's not forget that this is a bull market and the retracements are likely to be shallow, and the retracement up till this point here is also perfectly valid, and therefore we might be able to label wave 2 here as well. And therefore if that is true, then we will see a gap up and a movement from current levels itself. So whatever be the situation, either a stab down and then another up move, or an up move from this level, we are looking at a very bullish next 2 to 3 weeks of price action. I hope that helps. Thank you, bye bye, and best of trading.